Welcome to the Austrian German tutorial. This video will be a little different because it won't be a typical learning video. Instead, I'd like to ask ChatGPT about important Austrian words. I'm curious which words ChatGPT is going to recommend when we ask about the 15 most important Austrian words. So let's see what it's gonna be like. Now I want to ask ChatGPT the following question. Please tell me the 15 most important Austrian words. Let's see what happens. We start with number 15. Number 15, Österreich. Österreich is the German word for Austria. The adjective is österreichisch, so Austrian German is österreichisches Deutsch. Number 14, Skifahren, skiing. Austria is a popular destination for skiing enthusiasts. In Austria you also come across the accent Skifahren, Skifahren. There is a song by Wolfgang Ambros which is called Skifahren, and the text goes: Skifahren ist das Leibendste, was man sich nur vorstellen kann, which means in English, skiing is the most awesome thing you can imagine. Number 13, Gemütlichkeit. Gemütlichkeit is a German word often used in Austria, meaning a sense of coziness and comfort. The adjective is gemütlich in Standard German, and in Austria you often come across the word gemütlich, gemütlich, or just gemütlich. Number 12, Schloss. Schloss is castle. ChatGPT says Austria is home to numerous beautiful castles. There is even a state which is called Burgenland, meaning castle country. Number 11, Heuriger. Heuriger is a wine tavern in Austria where you can sample local wines. And if it's open, it's called ausgesteckt. Number 10, Lederhosen. Lederhosen are traditional leather shorts often worn by men in Austria. Number 9, Dirndl. A traditional Austrian dress worn by women, especially during festivals. And if you're interested in the word, I've produced a video about the 3 meanings of Dirndl in Austrian German. Number 8, Mozartkugel. Mozartkugel is a famous Austrian confection, also known as Mozart balls, made of marzipan, nougat and chocolate. Mozartkugel. Number 7, Habsburg. Habsburg is the historic ruling dynasty of the Austrian Empire, Habsburg. By the way, one young family member is a racer and commentator. Number 6, Wiener Schnitzel. Wiener Schnitzel, also called Viennese Schnitzel, is a specific type of schnitzel made from veal and associated with Vienna. If it's a different type of meat, it's called Schnitzel nach Wiener Art. Number 5, Alpen. Alpen is the German word for Alps. Austria is home to a significant portion of the European Alps. Alps play an important role in Austria. Number 4, Kaffeehaus or coffee house. Austria is known for its historic and elegant coffee houses, Kaffeehaus. And if you're interested in coffee, please check out my video about the various types of coffee in Austria. Number 3. Schnitzel. ChatGPT seems to be a schnitzel fan. A famous Austrian dish made from breaded and fried meat. Typically veal or pork schnitzel. Number 2. Servus. Servus is a word to say hello or goodbye. An informal and friendly greeting used in Austria. If you followed the channel, I'm sure you've already come across the word Servus. And finally, number 1. Guten Tag. Guten Tag, good day. That's a common greeting in Austria. All in all, I think it was interesting to check out ChatGPT to find out what 15 words seem to be interesting for the artificial intelligence. I hope you learn the one or the other new word, and see you in the next Austrian German tutorial. Have a nice day. Auf Wiederschauen und Servus.